Hello, it's Robert Pultz again, and this is for the Muskogee County Genealogy Zotero Users Group that's going to meet on 5/18/2023, and this is about the RSS feed process in Zotero. Okay, I'd like to thank Linda Morgan Clark for taking and teaching me how to take and do this, and making this URL to take and help other people do it. It's a little bit of a complex process, so let's get started. First thing I want to do is share screen with you. Okay, we're starting out on Cindy's list. And you can see this is her section on podcasts for genealogy. This is where my source for all podcasts on genealogy. And I thought I'd demonstrate the one using Lisa Louise Cook's Genealogy Gym podcast. If you click on that, you'll get this page. Now, this is a bit tricky. If you're in the wrong place and you right click, you'll get a screen like this, and that's not what you want. So you need to be in some place like this and see view page source. And that's key because that's the source that this page is written from. And when you go there, it's going to look like this. Now, this is HTML, and don't worry about it. It's not all that intimidating. So you want to do a Control F, and then you want to put an RSS into it. And that'll show up here. Okay. Now, if this is Firefox, so it's the Control F box, or the Find box, is in the lower right or lower left corner. If you have Chrome, it's going to be in the upper right corner. I don't know what it is on other browsers. Anyway, what you want to look for is when you see the RSS, you want to come on down that line to the href, and everything that's in the quotes right there, you want to copy that. So I'm doing a Control C. I'm on a PC. Okay, now you bring up Zotero. Now you've got Zotero up, and you go to this box right here, and you say you want to do a new feed, and you come over and you say from a URL, and you put that in there. And now I'll do a Control V, and that pastes it in there, and it puts the Genealogy Gems title in there, and you say save. Now, so here's you got the Genealogy Gems podcast. Now, suppose you want to take notes and move this into Zotero because it has some information that you want to take and store for your research in Zotero. So you take this here and you move it over to the folder that you want to put it in Zotero. And then you open that folder up and you hit this. And now you can take notes. You can do anything you want to take and do to it. Okay. So that's it. That's it in Zotero. Now, let's see how you control the feeds. You come down, you go to Edit, you come down to Preferences. Come on, Preferences. You go over to Advanced, and then you will go General, Files, Shortcuts, and Feeds. And this will take and sort it by the newest item first, or oldest item first, or whatever. And then you can take an updated feed every so many hours, remove read feed items after so many days, and remove unread feed items after so many days. So that's about it. You've got everything that you need to do. You've got your setup for it. You've got your feeds. You've got this. You can take and put in all the notes you want, and so on. And so that then puts the data into the main Zotero database, and you can use all the tools that are in Zotero to take and work with it.